Hello everyone, welcome back to Coupon Juice. Today in this video I'm going to tell you about Galaxy F15 5G smartphone. In this phone we have a good best industry features. This phone we have a complete specification about this mobile. Galaxy F15 comes with a S AMOLED display and it has triple rear camera, 50 megapixel main and 13 megapixel front camera, and it has a massive 6000 mAh battery as well as 24 hours super fast charging support. Let's quickly unbox the device and this temper this one. Now we successfully tamper the seals and opening the box here. You can see the mobile over here. Here we have a mobile over here, and taking out the mobile we are placing it by side. This is the new smartphone, and we are opening the cover here. Before opening the cover we have some more details in the box. Let's quickly open those things also. Along with the vest we have some manual over here. In this we have a SIM ejector. Inside this one we have some like a manual and everything. Let's quickly open the smartphone. I am tampering the device here and taking out the phone. Here you can see the Samsung Galaxy F15 smartphone here. You can see here this is the phone which we ordered right now. And left side we have a SIM ejector tool. We have here we need to install the SIM over here, and back side we have a triple camera. We have three cameras. Along with three cameras we have a flashlight, and to right side we have a power button over here. This is the power button we have, and volume up and down button. And bottom of this device we have a Type-C cable, chargeable cable. Along with that we have a 3.5 mm jack. One more important thing is we don't get any charger with this device, and we have a speaker over here. This is the front view. Our mobile is not that sleeky, not that bulky. The size of this device mobile is like 6.5 inch. Previously I reviewed the Redmi A4. That one is little bit bulkier than this mobile. This holding proper, not too small, not too big. It's okay compared to right now in the market. There's so many mobiles are there. Every mobile has most of the mobiles are are very uncomfortable. He said that like a Redmi 4A was like a 6.18. This device is 6.5 inch. Okay, it is 6.5 inch device, and the look comes with and allow this color also pretty decent. Combination of shiny display is a polycarbonate, and we have so many in this mobile is like 6 GB RAM, 128 GB variant, and it has a S AMOLED display which comes with a 6000 mAh battery and 6.5 inch Super AMOLED display which full HD plus resolution. We have three cameras, and the display was like a 2340 into 1080 pixel, 16 mm color and 90 Hz refresh rate. And we have a three cameras. One is primary camera is like a 50 megapixel. Samsung is giving 5 years of security updates along with best in segment. Best OS available in the next 4 years with the Samsung own AI, and it was powered with a MediaTek Dimensity 6100 plus up to 120 12 GB RAM with a RAM plus, and play games with the is brilliant 50 megapixel triple camera along with 13 megapixel selfie camera. You can capture decent image with this mobile. This is the complete review about this mobile. Okay, this is the latest flagship, not flagship. This is the mobile looks very premium, and special design was looks cool. And backside we have a shady color. I don't know what the actual color is, and the color is grove violet. And we have three colors in this device, like hash black, jazz green, grove violet, and the grove violet color looks a little, pretty cool and like a pleasant color. this is the complete review about this mobile. In upcoming videos I'll tell you more details about this mobile. I hope you like this video. Make sure subscribe to couponjuice.com. Thank you guys, stay tuned.